I am Professor Amit Kohopare, Department of Mathematics, Mahatma Gandhi Art, Science, and late Nasruddin Bhai Panjwani Commerce College, Armory, District Gadchiroli. Here we are going to discuss course outcome of BSc semester 6. In semester 6, we have two papers, paper 11, which is numerical method, and paper 12, which is complex analysis and vector calculus. So course outcome of numerical method. After completion of this course, student will able to solve non-linear equation. Already we know the linear equation f of x equal to 0 and all knows how to solve that equation. Here in numerical method, we are going to solve non-linear equation by using various methods such as bisection method, regular falsi method, second method, and Newton-Raphson method. These are some methods which are going students are going to study in this section, and also they are going to solve the linear algebraic equation ax equal to b by using various methods such as Gauss elimination method, partial parting method, Gauss Jordan method. In these three methods, we are going to use elementary transformations, and after that LU decomposition method, Gauss-Jacobi method, and Gauss-Seidel method of iteration. These methods are useful while using by solving using coding, and by if we are solving by hand, then Gauss elimination method, partial parting method, and Gauss Jordan method elimination methods are very useful methods. After that, students are going to gain knowledge about finite difference operator, central difference operator, and also they are going to learn about Newton-Gregory forward and backward difference, interpolation formula, Lagrange's interpolation formula, Newton's divide difference interpolation formula for unequal intervals. In interpolation formula, students are going to find the values of a function in some interval. After that, they are going to learn about numerical differentiation such as Newton's special and general formula, Newton's divide difference formula. Also, they are going to find the minima and maxima of function which is given in tabular form, not in functional form or in graphical form. If it is given in tabulated form, then how to find the minima and maxima? This also going to student are going to deal with such problems. Also, students are going to learn about numerical integration such as trapezoidal rule, how to find the numeric integration by trapezoid rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3/8 rule, and Bool's rule. Also, they are going to discuss study degree of precision, truncation error, of all above quadrature rules. In next paper, which is complex analysis in vector calculus, after completion of this course, student will able to understand, learn what is analytic function, what is Cauchy-Riemann equation, what is the use of Cauchy-Riemann equation, also what is harmonic function, and they are also uh, able to find the Mobius transformation and cross ratio complex uh, of complex number. Also, they are going to study about how to find a complex integration by using Cauchy integral theorem, by using Cauchy integral formula. Also, they are going to study about singularities, residues of complex function, find the vector differentiation and vector integration, that is derivative and integration of vectors. And also they are going to find a gradient, divergent, and curve of a vector function. And the most important thing here is they are also going to study about Green, Gauss, and Stokes theorem and their uses. So these are the outcomes of semester 6 mathematics. Thank you.